what you know is what a lot of people are looking or are trying to know. So don't ever look down on what you know or your expertise, your skills, things you know how to do. So in this video, I want to just a few minutes I want to share with you how you can monetize your knowledge. Because in this world, knowledge is power. We all know that knowledge is power. You can't dispute that. What you know is what guides you, because if you know something I don't know, definitely you are ahead of me in that area, because definitely I will want to know what you don't know. Yeah, let's say you know something that I don't know of, you are ahead of me. So, and if it's something that is applicable to me and I want to use, definitely I'll come to you for you to help me, teach me, so that I can also know how to do it. So that is where your expertise and your skills and your knowledge comes in. You can become a millionaire with just what you know. It's not about the way regular people regularly, the way we do things regularly. No. Now, let's say you know how to do graphic design, or you're a plumber, or you are a cook, or you're a baker, whatever you are. There are people today, as I'm making this video now, there are people that are willing to pay to learn how to become a plumber. There are thousands of people that are willing to pay to learn how to become a baker. There are thousands of people that are availably ready to pay to become a cook. All these things are skills that people want to pay for. And if you know about them, you can turn them to money by just using few of these tips I want to share with you. Yeah, we are living in a digital age. It's no longer news. People have smartphones that can do wonders. Your phone you are holding at your hand can change your life. You can do a lot of things that you don't even know. So you have a phone in your hand, and a lot of people have a phone in their hand. You have a skill that maybe you are a plumber. You want to teach people how to connect pipes and how to connect this and that. And you have a phone. You can start from the beginning of your tutorial, whatever. You teach people what they will understand. Learn how to document your knowledge. Documenting it is recording, voiceover, anything that you can do that you can send it across to someone else without even being present there. You get what I mean? You don't need to be present with me for me to buy your knowledge. You can be in Abuja while I'm in Kaduna, or while I'm in Aba, and I am buying your knowledge and I'm using it and I'm implementing it in my life, and I'm getting results. You get what I mean? And the sweetest part is that the digital age has made it possible for us to do things anywhere we are, and we reach thousands of people. We reach a lot of people doing what we are doing. You get what I mean? So what does it cost? You have a phone, record. We have screen recorders in every phone. iPhone have a screen recorder, Android have a screen recorder. You can record if your business is an online business, or is a system or computer business that you want to teach people. You can as well teach them with your screen recorder. Record with your screen. You get what I mean? Record with your screen, package it, edit the whole thing, put it in place. Then you can push it forward and people will buy it. How do you package it? You package it, maybe use Paystack, or you can use anything possible. You can sell to your WhatsApp chats group. Like people that are on your WhatsApp, they can buy your course. People that are on your Facebook page, Instagram, they can buy your course, because but please don't get me wrong. Make sure that whatever you think you know it. Make sure that whatever you think you're teaching, you have an idea and you are expert in it. Please don't mislead people. Please don't teach what you don't know. Please don't just assume that I can just explain it. No, you must know what you are talking about. You must be a skillful person in that area. You must know exactly what it entails to do the business that you are trying to teach people. Don't go and teach people something that you don't understand, or what you cannot explain, or what you cannot defend, because that is misleading and that is fraud. So you must create something that you're already doing and you're making money from. Let's say you have an idea of how to publish music or how to manage artists. You can teach people how to do all those things because you do it. Teaching people what you don't do or what you don't know is a defrauding attitude and it's bad. So you have to teach them what you know and what you can do, so that they can follow your footsteps and your process the way you're going about it. So you can use, they have Paystack, we have Google Drive, we have things that you can use, free tools that are available for use that you can use to create and package those things and put them into a product, information product. So information product, now people will buy it. You can put your course at cheap rate, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. Think about it. If you have a course that you're selling for 5,000 and you're going to sell 5,000 maybe to 100 people, 100 people you have made maybe 500,000. Make 1,000 people, you have made like 5 to 10 million naira. So it is that easy. Your knowledge is what people are willing to pay for. Your expertise is what people are ready to work with. And trust me, you can do it. It's something that you can do. Once you can record them, even if you can't actually put them as a course together, you can actually make the videos and recordings, then you can give someone that can help you to package them, then you can put them as a product and you can sell them. So please do not look down on your skills and do not take them for granted. Always know that what you know, other people are ready and willing to pay for it so that they can know how to better their lives. So that's all I have for you today. It's a very short video. I want you to just give me your own what you think about it. Does it make sense? If it makes sense, please like the video, share it, because I know that so many people are going to change their lives in 2023 because they have listened and learned one or two things from these videos I'm making, so that you're going to implement these things. It's not about watching my videos, it's not about listening to me, it's about implementing the skills and the strategies that I've shared in my videos. So that's how it is. Please, if you're new, you know how it is, please subscribe to the videos, my channel, share the videos with people, like the video, it will help me. So that's why I'm talking about it all the time. If you like my video and if you share it, it will help me, and that's all I get for reward. I'm just doing this thing to help people, to help life, and to help people. So let's keep it that way. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.